A man shot and killed by a police officer in Prichard over the weekend was unarmed. That according to the sheriff's office handling the investigation, as they gave an update on the case today. News 5's Alan Carter is live with more.
And Mel, sheriff's investigators are still waiting to talk to the officer involved in this deadly shooting. They were expecting to do that today, but it didn't happen. Now they hope that by tomorrow they'll have his side of the story. There are a lot of questions about how a traffic stop turned deadly in Prichard over the weekend, and right now authorities just don't have all the answers.
As you can imagine, a case of this magnitude involves an awful lot, and so our detectives have been very busy gathering all sorts of evidence and material.
What we do know is Lawrence Haynes was shot and killed following a confrontation with Prichard police officer Jonathan Murphy. One of the first questions raised in situations like this: did the victim have a gun?
I can further tell you that we did not receive any type of weapon at the scene. We believe that the person in this case was not armed with a weapon.
Sheriff Sam Cochran says the investigation surrounding the shooting is considered criminal immediately after detectives tried to talk to Officer Murphy.
So our investigators would have and did inform him of his constitutional rights and informed him that they wanted to question him. And at that time he indicated to our detectives that he wished to speak to an attorney prior to making a statement.
And right now, the sheriff says it's too early to determine if any wrongdoing took place, but friends and neighbors have their minds made up.
I think he should be prosecuted to the fullest of the extent of the law, and no protection, because Lawrence didn't have no protection.
The investigators are not going to look for any kind of justification. We're going to investigate the facts. The facts will speak for themselves, and then the law will be applied.
And detectives also still want to talk to any witnesses who may have seen or heard this shooting, and also find any video before, during, or after this altercation. Reporting live in Mobile, Alan Carter, News 5.